Hi, we're looking at Sailing in the Sun today. And this song is going to take the number one finger of your right hand and put it on middle C. But the number one finger of your left hand is on B, right next to middle C. So we are going to begin. In this song, I wrote the counting on the inside of the lines. The fingers are on the outside of the line, so you have to be careful to not confuse the counting with the fingers. And it starts with come, rest, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, because that's a half note. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. 3 again. 2 notes together in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they changed which 2 fingers your right hand was playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. So give that one a try. Remember, the counting is on the inside, fingers on the outside. We all need to learn to count. Everything counts when you're looking at a lesson book song. It's important to count. Bye-bye.